Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to smoothen selfies on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started! But don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's open camera on the phone by swiping left. And now, as you can see, the photo mode automatically opens by default here. So we just need to flip the camera by clicking on these two arrows. And now we are in a selfie mode. So, to make our face more smooth, we need to click this icon on the upper right corner of the screen, then click on face, and now turn on the functions. So we can see many options here, but we are interested in smoothness. So, to make your face more smooth, we just need to simply drag this slider left, and as you can see, the maximum power is 8. So let's take a selfie and see the results. Now go in gallery and you can see how much it smooths my skin. So no pores, no acne, and even no dark circles and skin texture. So if you wanna see more natural results, just choose at least 2, for example. So let's take a selfie and see the results. So now you can see more natural skin, you can see the pores, you can see a little bit of dark circles, you can see the skin texture and so on. So yeah, that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.